Welcome to English class. I am Mohammad Fadil Islam, Senior Teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. Dear students, look at the circle. You can see A and the. What are these? Right, these are articles. Can you guess the name of today's topic? Right, today's topic is articles. Before starting the class, I would like to tell you the learning outcomes. After completing the class, you will be able to define articles, know types of articles, and know how to use articles. What is an article? An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A and the are called articles. There are two types of articles: definite article, indefinite article. The is called the definite article. The definite article tells us that the noun is specific. A or an is called the indefinite article. The indefinite article tells us that the noun is not specific. A or an is used with a singular countable noun. The can be used with singular and plural nouns. Now I am going to tell you how you can choose A or an. A and an have the same meaning. A is used before a consonant or consonant sound. For example, a doctor, a man, a student, a chair, a table, a beer, etc. A is used before a vowel with a consonant sound like U or wa. For example, a university, a European, a one-eyed man, etc. The first letter of the word university is U, which is a vowel, but it sounds like U, which is a consonant sound. The first letter of the word European is E, which is a vowel, but it sounds like U, which is a consonant sound. The first letter of the word one is O, which is a vowel, but it sounds like wa, which is a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel. For example, an umbrella, an egg, an orange, etc. An is used before a mute s. For example, an honest man, an hour, an heir, an honorable person. The sound of the letter s is silent. An is used before an abbreviation beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound. For example, an MA, an MBBS, etc. The first letter of the abbreviation MA is M, which is a consonant, but it has a vowel sound A. Similarly, the first letter of the abbreviation MBBS is M, which is a consonant, but it has a vowel sound A. Okay? Dear students, now I am going to tell you about the uses of articles. Today I will discuss 20 rules. Rule number 1. We use a or an before a singular noun to talk about any person or animal or thing, but we use the to talk about a particular or known person or animal or thing. For example, I need a chair. Here the article A shows that the speaker does not need a specific chair. He can have any chair. That is, he can have any one of the chairs. Next example is, can I have an apple please? Here the article an shows that the speaker does not want a specific apple. He can have any apple. That is, he can have any one of the apples. Third example is, I want the apple on the books. Here the article the shows that the speaker wants a specific apple. Rule number 2. We use the before plural nouns to talk about particular or known persons or animals or things. For example, the boys playing in the field are the students of class 8. The article the has been used before the plural noun boys because the listener knows which boys the speaker is talking about. Second example is, the books are mine. The article the has been used before the plural noun books because the listener knows which books the speaker is talking about. Third example is, the cats are very nice. The article the has been used before the plural noun cats because the listener knows which cats the speaker is talking about. Rule number 3. We use a or an before a countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time, but we use the when it is mentioned for the second time. For example, I saw a man in the field. The man was a player. In the first sentence, the noun man has been mentioned for the first time, so the article a has been used before it. In the second sentence, the noun man has been mentioned for the second time, so the article the has been used before it. Rule number 4. We use a or an to talk about one person or animal or thing when there are many and we are not specifying which one. But we use the when we are specifying which person or animal or thing we are talking about. For example, number 1, I bought this dress in a shop last week. The shop the speaker is talking about is not specific. There are many shops in the market. The shop the speaker is talking about is one of them. So, a shop refers to one shop. Example number 2, I bought this dress from the shop next to the library. The shop the speaker is talking about is specific. Which shop? The shop next to the library. So the article the has been used before the noun shop. Rule number 5, we use a or an to indicate a unit. For example, a kilogram is enough. A kilogram is a unit. A kilogram means 1 kilogram. Rule number 6, we use a or an in the sense of is or per. For example, the bike can run 70 kilometers an hour. Here an hour means per hour. He earns 400 taka a day. Here a day means per day. Rice is sold 50 taka a kilo. Here a kilo means per kilo. Rule number 7, we use a or an to indicate someone's job or profession or trade. For example, he is a doctor, she is an engineer, he is a shopkeeper. Rule number 8, we use the for a specific job or job title that only one person has. For example, his father is the managing director of this company. Rule number 9, a or an or the is used to indicate a whole class. For example, a cow has horns or the cow has horns. It means all cows have horns. So, a cow or the cow indicates a whole class, but man and woman used to denote the whole class never have any article. For example, man is mortal, woman is man's maid. Rule number 10. We use a or an before a proper noun in comparison in the sense of one like. For example, number 1, he thinks he is a Rabindranath. Number 2, I see you are a Nazrul. Rule number 11. A or an is used before an unknown name or surname. For example, number 1, Jatin Babu came here. Number 2, Mr. Sen came to see you. Number 3, an Iqbal came here to collect the news. Rule number 12. We often use articles before adjectives or adverbs in noun phrases. For example, number 1, I bought a cheap ticket. Here, a cheap ticket is a noun phrase, cheap is an adjective. The article a has been used before the adjective cheap. Number 2, the honest people are loved by all. Here, the honest people is a noun phrase, honest is an adjective. The article the has been used before the adjective honest. Number 3, he is a very good boy. Here, a very good boy is a noun phrase, very is an adverb. The article a has been used before the adverb very. Number 4, it is a beautifully decorated room. A beautifully decorated room is a noun phrase, beautifully is an adverb. The article a has been used before the adverb beautifully. Rule number 13. We use the before an uncountable noun to particularize it. For example, the gold of this ring is pure. Gold is an uncountable noun. The water of the pond is almost blue. Water is an uncountable noun. Rule number 14. We use the before the unique object. That is, we use the before the name of a thing that is the only one in nature. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Rule number 15. We use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, he is the best boy in the class. She is the first girl in the class. Best is the superlative degree, so the article the has been used before it. First is the ordinal number, so the article the has been used before it. Rule number 16. We use the before comparatives as adverbs. For example, the more we get, the more we want. Rule number 17. We use the before comparative with of the two. For example, he is the younger of the two boys. Younger is the comparative degree. Rule number 18. We use the before an adjective to talk about a group of people or a whole class of persons. For example, that is the poor. It is an adjective. That is means these people. Poor is an adjective. The poor means poor people. So, that is or the poor refers to a group of people or a whole class of persons. Rule number 19. We use the before a common noun to make an abstract noun. For example, the mother rose in her. Here, the mother means motherly affection. So, the mother has been used as an abstract noun. Last rule. Rule number 20. The is used before names of seas. For example, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, etc. Names of oceans. For example, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean. Names of rivers. For example, the Jamuna, the Meghna, the Tista, etc. Names of holy books. For example, the Quran, the Bible, the Ramayana. Names of newspapers, for example, the Daily Star, the Daily Independent, the Bangladesh Observer, etc. Names of directions, for example, the north, the south, the east, the west. Names of ships, for example, the Titanic, the MV Akbar, etc. Names of trains, for example, the Rangpur Express, the Nilsagar Express, the Bombay Mail, etc. Names of gulfs, for example, the Gulf of Suez, the Gulf of Aqaba. Names of mountain ranges, for example, the Himalayas, the Alps. Names of groups of islands, for example, the Andamans, the Hebrides. Names of deserts, for example, the Sahara, the Thar. Names of famous buildings, for example, the Taj Mahal, the Victoria Memorial Hall. Names of airplanes, for example, the Dakota, the Boeing 707. Names of spacecrafts, for example, the Apollo 11, the Skylab. Dear students, I have discussed 20 rules. I will discuss some more rules and omission of articles in the next class. Let me finish this lesson with exercise and homework. Fill in the blanks with articles. Number 1. I saw dash girl in the garden. Dash girl was plucking flowers. Number 2. Dash true friend is dash asset. Number 3. Dash dog is dash faithful animal. Number 4. Dash Meghna is dash big river. Number 5. Dash honesty in him charms us all. Dear students, think deeply about the answers. Right, the answers are number 1, A, the. Number 2, A, N. Number 3, the A. Number 4, the A. Number 5, the. Dear students, write down your homework. Number 1, fill in the blanks with articles, put a cross where no article is needed. Dhaka is dash capital of Bangladesh. It is dash old city. People of different dash communities live in dash city. Their dash ways of life are dash different, so their dash occupations are not dash same. Most of dash people lead dash very hard life here. Number 2, fill in the blanks with articles. Put a cross where no article is needed. There once lived dash poor farmer. He was dash honest and hardworking. He never wastes dash his time while working. He had dash few pieces of land, but he had to maintain dash large family. One day he found dash umbrella with a bag. In dash bag he found a letter. He showed it to dash one-eyed man. The man told him that it was dash important letter of dash university. I hope you will do your homework. See you in the next class. Thanks.